Hello guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of check ASCII palindromic. Right, this is the problem of LeetCode contest. This is the easy level of problem. What's the problem? What the problem says? You are given string S containing a lowercase English letter. That's fine. Construct a binary string by replacing each character in S with 8-bit binary representation of its ASCII values, including leading zeros while preserving the original order of the character. Return true if resulting binary string is palindrome, otherwise return false. So the problem is very simple. The problem says that we have the binary strings, right? This is the ff, this is our binary string. Now we have to convert it into 8 bit of ASCII value. That means 8 bit of representation, binary representation. Got it? So f we can take, so f is equal to, what is the value of ASCII, what is the value of ASCII value of f is 102. Got it? Here we just have to consider only for four things. The first thing is find its ASCII value. Find its ASCII value. That's the first thing. Second thing is convert that ASCII value into 8-bit binary. Convert it into 8-bit of binary. 8-bit of binary, which means we can consider like f is equal to, what is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, like this is our binary representations of ASCII's value. Right now, like there is, we have to 2f, so again f is equal to 102, and the same thing is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. This is the third one. That means third one is join these both, like 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, right? And again then 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, like this. So, and the fourth one is, and the last one is check whether the final binary string is palindromic or not. And what is the palindromic? Palindromic means from the starting, when we have to reverse the array and again we just traverse, then the array is same and the string is same. So here we can check if we can reverse it. So how it is? Same type, or otherwise we just have to split from here, then you can see from the half and half, then we just again same thing. So it is match. So when it is match and join, and and after the joining we have to check this palindromic. If yes, it is palindromic, that means that is true. If not palindromic, we can see here leet is l is this one. Got it? E is equal to this one and this one, and again t is equal to this one. Now if we combine this all, then we have to see there is not a palindromic. So if it is not a palindromic, so it is false. So we just have to, the fourth thing, always we keep in mind the fourth thing. The first thing is find its ASCII. Got it? Second is convert that ASCII value into 8-bit binary. Third one is join all those binary values together. Fourth one is check whether the final value string is a palindromic. Got it? So this is, now I just write the code, then you will understand. Got it? So start writing the code. So the code is very simple. Like first is taking of string binary is equal to this one. Now convert every character into 8-bit. So start the, we can just write the comment. First is convert every character to 8-bit. Got it? Now for char of c2 as, and then int ASCII is equal to, we can take the this one. Now for int I is equal to, we have to just take 7. So हम तक कहाँ 7 है, मतलब 0 से 8 तक होता है वो, ठीक है, तो 7 लेके चल रहे हैं. गॉट इट. नाउ एंड 0 and I minus minus. Got it? From the last to first. Now binary plus is equal to, simple one, binary plus is equal to, we have the ASCII, right, and this one. That means we have to always do the use the this one, right? What is the name of this? So I think left sliding, right? Left sliding, and then and 1, that is the binary repetition, plus 0, this one. Got it? Now rather than further delay, now we just have to check if binary string palindrome, check if binary string palindromic. Got it? In left, if we can find and join, then we just check the palindrome, it is palindrome or not, and int right is equal to binary dot length minus 1. Got it? While left, right, and then if binary left is not equal to binary right, got it, then return false, and left plus plus, right minus minus. Got it? And simple is return true. Now to try to compile it, there is an error. Yeah, there is no error. Now try to submit it. So yes, it is submitted. Now here I just show you, the thing is, what is the time complexity of this problem. Got it? So the time complexity, you can see each character always produce exactly 8 bit. So take is order of n, and space is talk. What is for the binary string? We have the binary string, so for that we can take the space complexity is order of n. So that is the problem. So I hope you will understand. So thank you so much, guys.